Wait, want to improve your English listening skills in a fun way? You're in the right place. Listen carefully to today's story, learn new vocabulary, and then test yourself with a quiz at the end. Today's story is about Emma being late for school. So, let's get started. Emma opened her eyes slowly. At first, everything felt normal. Her room was warm, and she could hear birds outside her window. She closed her eyes again and pulled the blanket over her head. Then suddenly, she remembered something. She had a math quiz that morning. Emma opened her eyes quickly and looked at the clock beside her bed. 7:45? She screamed. School started at 8 o'clock, and she usually left home at 7:30. Her alarm did not ring because her phone battery died during the night. Oh, no, no, no. Emma jumped out of bed so fast that she almost slipped on the floor. She rushed to the bathroom and quickly put toothpaste on her toothbrush, but when she turned on the water, nothing came out. What? She shouted. A few seconds later, the water started running again very slowly. Great. Perfect timing, Emma muttered. She brushed her teeth as fast as possible and looked at herself in the mirror. Her hair looked terrible, sticking up in every direction. I look like I fought a bear, she sighed. Emma tried to fix it quickly, but her hairbrush suddenly slipped from her hand and fell behind the washing machine. You have got to be kidding me. She did not have time to get it, so she tied her hair back quickly and ran to her room. She opened her closet and grabbed her school uniform. After getting dressed, Emma grabbed her backpack and rushed downstairs. Her mother was sitting calmly in the kitchen, drinking coffee. Good morning, Emma, her mother said with a smile. Why didn't you wake me up? Emma asked while looking for something to eat. I thought you were already awake, her mother replied. Your bedroom light was on. Emma remembered forgetting to turn it off before sleeping. She quickly put 2 pieces of bread into the toaster. While waiting, she searched her backpack for her homework. Then her eyes went wide. My math homework! She pulled out papers, pens, old snacks, and even a single sock, but the homework was missing. I can't find it! Her mother pointed toward the kitchen table. You mean this? She asked. Emma looked over and saw her homework papers sitting beside a fruit bowl. You just saved my life, Emma said dramatically as she grabbed them. At that exact moment, the toaster suddenly launched the bread into the air. Emma jumped in surprise and accidentally dropped one piece onto the floor. Even the cat looked shocked. Emma picked up the other piece of toast, put it in her mouth, and ran toward the front door. Finally, she escaped from the house and started running down the street. The weather was cold, and she realized she forgot her jacket, but she refused to go back. At the bus stop, Emma looked around nervously. Please don't leave yet, she whispered. But a moment later, she saw the school bus driving away at the end of the street. No way, she cried. Emma checked the time again. 7:53. She started running to school. It was not very far, but there were many hills on the way. After only 5 minutes, she was already tired. While she was running, she suddenly heard someone behind her. Emma, wait! It was her classmate Leo on his bicycle. You're late too? Emma asked, breathing heavily. Yeah, Leo said. I missed the bus because my little brother hid one of my shoes. Emma laughed for the first time that morning. That's worse than my problem, she said. Leo smiled. Do you want me to give you a ride? Emma looked at the small bicycle. Are you serious? She asked. It's faster than walking, Leo answered. Emma carefully got onto the back of the bicycle. The ride was uncomfortable and a little dangerous, but at least they were moving quickly. As they rode through the streets, Emma finally started to relax. Maybe the teacher will understand, she said hopefully. Leo shook his head. Mr. Harris? Never. Both of them laughed again. When they finally arrived at school, the first bell was already ringing. Emma and Leo parked the bicycle and ran into the building as fast as they could. But when they reached their classroom, something strange happened. The door was closed, and all the lights were off. Emma looked confused. Where is everyone? Then another teacher walked by and smiled at them. Didn't you hear? She asked. The science fair is today. All morning classes were canceled. Emma stared at Leo for a few seconds. Then both of them started laughing loudly. I ran all the way here for nothing, Emma said. Leo smiled proudly. At least now we know my bicycle is very fast. All right, the story's over. Now it's your turn. Let's see if you really understood the story. Answer the questions and test your English. I'll be waiting. Congratulations! You finished the test. How many did you get right? Write it in the comments. If you made mistakes, don't worry. We are improving step by step. Listen to the story again with subtitles, and I'm sure you will notice your mistakes. I also left some vocabulary at the end for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.